All right, let's go. All right, welcome back, everyone. Today is our, we're just gonna be talking about whatever you want on about our multiple time frame system. There's one thing that a lot of you guys are sending me is, Irving, how should I check the news? I don't know if Mr. Wendell is here today, but last time he showed us how to work using my FX book. That one is pretty good. So we're gonna go over of that and help you out. And also the timing is very important. So I just gotta do one example from scratch because it seems like you guys are not watching the one-on-ones that I did with the other trader. That will help you a lot, to be honest, to become a better trader. And another thing is I gave you guys the radar, the TeamWithERVING radar, and a lot of you guys don't understand where should you, for some reason it's not popping up all the arrows. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you do that, all right? So let's go ahead. Let me bring the Epic pen so I can draw on my screen.
I got one question, Irvin.
Yes, sir.
The radar arrows, you can use that monthly for the master trend?
That's what I'm gonna go over.
Yeah, because I sent you a message, but I don't think you've seen it yet. Because on my charts, right, the arrows is not lining up. It was before, but this month they're all, most of them is weird. I don't know if it's like that on your chart.
Okay, right now I had the US peso here. Look on this one. I remember when I gave you guys this pair long back, guys. This system is amazing. Look at this one. Boom. So first question that we always ask ourselves is, what is our master trend doing, right? Second question is, what is our real time brothers and sisters doing? And third question is, what is our multiple time 4 hours doing? So everything here line up saying, okay, the trend is down. We all know. And right now we are doing what? We are doing, go ahead, help me out on this one. Who was that?
Jamie.
Jared, what do you think is doing, the system is doing in this particular example here?
Pull back.
Pull back. So now this is where the question, that's good. So that's always we need to ask that question. Now, here's the radar. Radar is telling us everybody is betting down. See the 4 hours right now, 4 hours is pointing where?
Down.
Up.
It's up. Oh yeah, I couldn't see it. I'm on my phone.
Okay. You see the radar is right on the corner, and then the daily, weekly, monthly, they're all going. It's just reading the main one, and everybody is pointing down. So this one is not fully formed yet. So that's why it's still reading the previous support and resistance here. So everything is telling us it's still in a sell position. But now, since we know what's going on here, but before I go and explain this, this is what you guys need to do. You guys need, here's the happy face right in the corner. So just double click on it, and you need to find out what kind of, which version do you have? Because I had two, which version of the radar do you have? Because I had two.
The one you sent me last night.
Because how many arrows did it pop in your screen?
4.
Then this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give everybody this one here. So, but if you have any issue, I can remote your PC whenever you get home. If it's not today, we can do it anytime. Just let me know the time and I can put it on my agenda, and then I'm gonna see what's going on with your chart.
No, mine's just working okay. It's just, I was asking if you could just use the monthly here for the master trend.
Well, it's reading the master trend here.
Okay, okay.
Well, but it's reading this one here. It's reading this brothers and sister here. This is all I care, because this is not fully ready yet. We know it's forming a pullback, but it's not ready there. So still reading the previous data. So we all know that it's still dropping down.
Okay, but for the Monday, I could use that for the master trend.
Right.
Okay.
But please just don't go by what you see here. You still got to do your analysis. This is the way how you need to save. If you always save your chart exactly how you see it like that, So you can identify what's going on with the market right away. So you don't have to go back and forth. Because this example is good. I remember when I told you guys about this one. But look at how the system works. I know this is straightforward, man, but I got a lot of, how many? I got 19 people here watching, but I don't know if they're first time or what. But look at here. System don't lie, man. It's forming. Look at that, 4 hours and daily pop in, brothers and sisters. Look at that, 4 hours is ready to go. It's paying. Market right now in US peso right now as we speak, it is a bullish market. It's that simple. How far it's gonna go? Most likely, oh, let me see if you can answer this question. The other day I teach you guys how to read supported, Fibonacci levels. So let's tell everyone, where do you think the market is gonna take a break?
23.6 on the fib. The specific point is probably going to be around 21.4850. Because if we look to the left,
21, read me the number again.
21.4850 or 21.4910, sorry.
Good job, man. That's what the Fibonacci is?
Yeah, that's where the 23.6 is.
But now, let me ask you this. That's good. So far, look, you're not seeing Fibonacci. I'm not seeing any Fibonacci. The guys behind scene, not either.
So without the Fibonacci, if we look to the left on the chart, hold on a second. Okay, if we look all the way to the left, that buy, that brother and sister all the way to the left where you're at right there, that would be the level that it would retest to.
That's it, brother. That's it. That is true. Now, look at how simple. All we know, the next one, it's so clean, man. The next one will be here. Look at the third one, somewhere in here. Now, let's put the Fibonacci. I don't even know the Fibonacci, where the Fibonacci is. I don't know if I have it here. Here it is. You were right. See, a little below the 23.6. So look at the Fibonacci will give you the level they have is a little bit more, I don't even know why it's there, but it's there. Because it gave you, it didn't read the previous low. It's just, it just went a little bit above. But it's still, if I had to tell everyone what the market is gonna do, this is what I do every Sunday. I tell everyone, okay, the market is gonna go here between the 23 and the 0 Fibonacci. So we all know. Now, it can respect this level here, and then it will come back and retest your next level, which is gonna be the 23.6. And then from there, the market is gonna continue back down, because we know the market is doing what? Market is dropping. This pair here, this is my favorite pair. Love it, man. But if you trade pullback, make sure you guys learn how to grab 30 to 40 pip the max and stay away. And to believe it or not, the other day I did a video, guys, where I was putting side by side the window. Let me see how much I'm making today on my phone. Let me check here. I would not lie, man. This stuff works, man. I love it. I have $1,113.86 just on that strategy. But I did a lot of entries, man. They're all blue in my phone. Amazing, man. I'm telling you, man. This business is a beast. But I still, the one thing that I forgot to tell you guys to use it for that strategy, it was the parabolic SR. By default, the parabolic SR comes as a 0.02, and I think that's the lowest, and the max is 0.02. The second one, the max, leave it alone, but the first one, change it to 0.01, and then say that. That is a beast. That helps. But you can use that at like 4 hours and 5 minutes or 15 minutes. But cash it out whenever you have a goal. Anything that reach $3, $5, take your money. Take your money because market will move very quick. And you can make $100, $150, $200 a day. Easy, man. $700, $800 a week. Not a bad deal. Let's do another example. This is good, man. Thank you. Thank you for helping on this one. Let's do another example and let's see if anybody else wants to volunteer. Let's read the Fibonacci level. Let's look at EURUSD. I gave you this pair on my weekly analysis. I didn't want to mess up my analysis. This one is bullish. Bullish. Oh, I shouldn't tell you. Okay, I didn't tell you the whole thing. Let me see. Who wants to answer this one? Let me go to the daily. There it is. Sometimes, guys, when you read your chart, unfortunately, you're not gonna be able to read it on 4 hours. So, what I do is because the chart is so big, sometimes I have to move into the daily time frame, and that is the only because the daily time frame will squish the candles. So all we know here. Let me see. Someone is texting. Dorian, I follow the developer and trading view person. Sure. Yes, I think you should check it. Okay, Dorian. Sure. Let me know on that. I would love to hear more on the BSAR, and then we'll do it. But who want to help me with this one? This is a good one, guys, because a lot of you guys were reading this one wrong. Why I say was they were reading it wrong because they thought the master trend was in here. Now look at here. We got some weird stuff in there. Unmute yourself, whoever wants to answer this. If not, I go ahead and take care of it. But this is very good to know because in here, pay attention. First thing first is what is. Let me bring my the rules. I don't even know what they are. Let me see. Master trend PDF. Okay, here it is. Let me bring this up and show you because this the 3 rules you always need to remember exactly what the market is doing. Other than that, you always gonna struggle. Look, this is the rules that we follow. First is always check for the news. So every time you open your chart, automatically your chart should be zoom out. So you don't have to do no work here and just look for the multiple time frame, master trend. Third step is check what the brothers and sisters is doing and which direction is the master trend on. And then the last thing you need to check is check what your 4 hours arrow is doing. That's it. And then you can enter in any lower time frame. Remember, the key here is always to work only basically on 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly. But we make the final determination of what 4 hours and daily is doing. Then we'll move into any lower time frame for entry only. Could be 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, even 1 minute, whatever you want. Because in here, look at here, we know the market is doing a pullback. It's going with the trend. So look at here. Let me make this one. And then I'm going to go to 4 hours. 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly, boom, all line up saying the market is bullish. So now let's go to 4 hours. Let me delete all this because I don't want to confuse anyone. Let me go to 4 hours. Look, this is what is important here. So our job is always to trade with the trend. If the trend is bullish, we need to be in a bullish market. Look at here, brothers and sisters, pop in, boom, bingo. Market is heading up, which is true. But the question here is why, because this is the second question we need to ask ourselves. The last question we need to ask ourselves is, what is this guy doing here? So we know this is a what? It's a PV. Do you trade PV? I got no idea, but I usually tell everyone not to. If you're gonna trade it, make sure you learn how to grab 20 to 40 pips and then walk away. Because we don't know how far it's gonna go. PV is bad business, guy, to be honest. PV can blow your account. I would ready to go with the trend. Look, the money is here. Because your winning ratio will improve if you trade with the trend. Look, money up, money up. Look at this movement there. This movement are more aggressive. Look at this one, boom. Now we know this PV is coming down. So, so as what we're looking for in order to continue this market here is, most likely this is what is gonna happen. I'm waiting here for more confirmation. Maybe the blue arrow will pop in here. Once the arrow pop in here and telling us, okay, the market now is continuing to be a bullish market, because right now it's just doing the pullback. But this guy is on guard, telling, okay, we all going bullish. It's just taking a small break. Then look at here, all this level here, most likely is gonna happen in there. Say it try to bounce here, bing, bing. It couldn't go down, boom, 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 boom. Look at this one, huge one, came in and retest the same level here. It can't break this this level here. Most likely it's gonna pop in here. Then we all make money. Right now, it's start going bullish very slow, but the rules are not there. So never trade, never assume, okay, I'm gonna enter on the market just because I think it's gonna be there. No, just wait for the whole system. Because this is what I created this, because these are support and resistance. So I didn't want you to be drawing. So yeah, you can draw this and say, okay, it's gonna happen there. But this is a minor one. Until it's fully give you the signal, then you're ready to go. But the market here for EURUSD, it is a bullish market. Here's the funny thing, guys. Someone, when I was doing my Sunday video, someone challenged me on GBP USD. I told them the market was going to be bullish. And let's take a look. Hopefully this makes sense. Market here is bullish. But look at here, on the radar, guys, when they contradict each other, I mean, you know, there's no clean signal here. Look, everything is contradicting. 4 hours and daily is contradicting. So why would I be in a trade? There's nothing here. There's no setup yet. I got no idea. I'm waiting to be in a bullish market. We know the master trend here. Look, the monthly is bullish. We all know. Look, what is the weekly doing? Pay attention here. The weekly is right. Look at the daily. The daily is right. What's the 4 hours doing? 4 hours is right too. Everything is right. But there's no rules. So we're looking for a fully confirmation in order to be a bullish market. Always pay attention to those details. I mean, it's only 3 steps. 1, MT, master trend. 2, brothers and sisters. 3, real time, 4 hours. That's it. That's it, guys. But always zoom out. Look at the picture from far away. And you do this over and over and over again. Look, in order for you to master this, you need to take at least 20, 30 trades. Because sometimes people think on the first trade, they go like, Irving, I took a trade, but it's not going my way. You're not gonna get experience on one trade. You need to practice at least 20, 30 times. Practice on your demo first. Don't put your hard working money to hurt you, because you can blow your account easily. All right, someone challenged me on this one. Let me take this off so I will not make someone challenged me on, what is it, GBP USD. Look at this. This is my Sunday one. This is the analysis that I gave you guys on Sunday. And the guy said, no, you're wrong. I said, fine. I mean, you don't have to agree with me on what I said, but I think we all need to agree on what the market is gonna, most likely is gonna do. I clearly said the market was gonna be a bullish market. I knew the brothers and sisters was already there. I think they were somewhere in here when I told you guys. No, actually, look, it was right in the level there. I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. Nope, it came and retested our 23. Fine. If you would have your trailing stop in there, there's no way the market would have taken you out, because right now market is sitting exactly in the level. Now, look at this guy here. This guy now, if I had to reanalyze this market right now, I will speak for the rest of the week, right? This today is only what, Tuesday? This is what I think the market is gonna do. Still gonna be bullish. It's gonna come back and retest all this level here, confirm making the brothers and sisters very strong. Then what we're looking for, what are we looking for here? We're looking for a green blue arrow. God damn, I always get the wrong one. We're looking for the 4 hours pointing up, right? Then boom, market will continue bullish. I mean, hopefully he watched the video, but I'm gonna post it on YouTube, this video, guys, because I mean, sometimes I don't think he's one of our traders, but hey, they trade with different rules, right? But this is very straightforward, man. Very straightforward. If you stick to it, it will work for you. But in here, I don't want to mess up this one because I have to explain it tomorrow, and most likely I'm gonna bring the same explanation. All right, let's look at our USD JPY. Look, first thing first is, what is the master trend doing? Look, damn, look at this one, guys. This is crazy. Master trend here is bullish. Been bullish since, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's been bullish since May 2016. Damn, that's crazy. I didn't even know that until now. 2016. That's insane. 16, 17, 18. Wow. Now, we know the market is bullish. So what we're looking for here, we're looking only for a bullish market. So real time right now, look at this one. It came up so weird. They're all separate. They're not together. But we all know the market is bullish here. Let me go ahead and make it bigger. Oh, this is gonna be nice here. It's not fully ready yet, but it's firming. Pay attention to this one. Look at this one. Still dropping. It's not full confirmation yet. One thing, guys. A lot of you guys send me Tried Irving. I'm so confused on this trade. I saw the brothers and sisters that pop in and I enter immediately as a buy. Please don't do that. Remember, we always mention it week after week. We still gotta see at least 2 to 3 or you can put 4 dots, yellow dot, in order for you to be in a bullish market. Right now, nothing is telling us the market is fully ready to go. Yes, it's giving us the signal, say, okay, get ready. We are gonna turn around and continue as a bullish. Because this bear is here, this guy here is over. So look at this drop, it was massive. Now it came and retest all this level here, which is fine. So now, yeah, what we're looking for is we're looking for more confirmation. See the green arrow already pop in. Now the daily and the magic arrow covered up the blue arrow. So that's why you don't see it in here. But now what we're looking for is we're looking for at least 1 or 2 or 3 of this yellow dot to be here. Once they're here, then yes, you're gonna be in a bullish market. But right now, I will not tell you to do anything. Sometimes they just want to enter just because they see the brothers and sisters. Please don't do that. Write down the rules. If you don't write it down and repeat it over and over and read them aloud, put them on your windshield of your vehicle, on your mirror, on your bathroom, in your kitchen, everywhere, but you need to. These levels here are very well respected in the market. Very well respected. This is the most respected support and resistance that exists in this market. If you don't believe me, you can back test it with whatever other software you are gonna be amazed. Because I'm not saying, okay, this is going to be super, super best, but it's well respected. I can say that with confidence because a lot of other system, they will have support and resistance in this area here. These are minor. So this is what I didn't want you to be drawing this one because this, to me, I don't care about this. I want to see the most well respected here. Look at this one. This is what the money is. And that's what I like to work only using 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly, because this is what the cash is. This is only your entry. Master that and that's it. That's what the money is. Look at what the 4 hours and daily is telling. They're all going bullish. This guy is not ready yet. The daily is not ready yet. Why? Because it still has not formed. So still reading this guy here. So wait for it. Once it's fully firm, this will switch direction. Basically, look, it's only one showing you that it's dropping, it's still dropping down. Once this turn around, everyone is going bullish. What you got to do is go bullish. That's simple, man. Okay. Is Elliott here? Oh, Elliott, what's going on, Elliott?
Hey, baby. How's it going?
All right, man. All right. You got any question for me today?
Yeah, I do, actually. Could you pull up the Euro Audi chart for a second?
This is what I gave you guys last week on Sunday.
Right. Now, could you do it? Could you go to the day chart so we could see where the master trend is?
I don't want it messed up the pair because that is for tomorrow.
Okay.
But it worked out pretty well. It worked out.
No, it did. It's just different than what I had, and I want to talk it through with you. I had the master trend as bearish, but you had it as bullish, and I need to know where I screwed up.
No, it's not bullish. It's bearish.
It is bearish.
Yeah.
Okay, but on Sunday you said that that the EA was going to go up, unless I got it wrong. Did I get that wrong?
Yes. Remember, Elliott, you know the rule. You trade with rules. This is what I tell the YouTuber to the world, because the world knows very limited information as to what you know.
Right.
I tell them every single movement of the market. If the market, once I see the 4 hours popping up, I will do my analysis in a short period of time, saying, okay, the market is going to go up, then it come down. I tell them every single movement. But you know, as a trader, that this guy here, this is bearish, right?
Yes.
So you know that this guy here was right.
Mm-hmm.
So in here, what I say, okay, market is gonna pop in here, and this is where you got confused. Maybe yes. I say it was bullet. I don't think I read the master trend on Sunday, but this is what you got confused and say, okay, now Irving is confusing me. But remember, I'm reading every single step, because if I read exactly our rules, they're gonna get confused. You won't. You can get confused one time, but that's it. We can fix that problem. But I will get confused the world 100%, because they don't know exactly how you guys read the data. But here, we knew the market was gonna come back here, perfect hit. And then from there, I said the market was gonna come back where? Look at this. This is a great example here. Remember last time?
Oh, it is. It did go down. You said it was going to retest between the 50 and the 61.8.
Why do you think it came and retested that area?
Well, because that's where the support is with the brothers and sisters.
Good job. That's it, man. Look.
No, I'm getting this. I'm getting this.
Good job.
It's just that I noticed that when I love your YouTube videos, when I watch them, sometimes I forget that you're talking to the regular people outside of behind the scenes. Right. And then I go, wait a second, what was that? Because it was only with two, but now I know why. Okay, good.
Now, Irvin, also that same support and resistance, that's to the left as well, correct?
Yeah, that's what he read.
Absolutely.
This is, Look, now that you
It
guys know
doubled.
how to, that's good. That now that you know how to read this stuff, you guys know that I was right, man. Look, it came a little bit shy in there, little bit short. It's fine. It retested your 50 Fibonacci. It's fine. If you would have your trailing stop in there, trust me, you would have get out in profit. That's it. Over.
What do you run your trailing stop at on in a longer term trade, like one of our trades?
I do 40 to 80.
40 to 80 pips?
Yeah.
Okay.
But to be honest, Elliot, I'm making a lot of money using the 4 hours and 5 minutes and 15 minutes.
Okay. I watched the video and I didn't get it. Sorry.
Yeah, it's basically
Whatever this other strategy is that you're using,
yeah. So basically, this is what I'm doing. So if
Okay.
the market is down, so I'm just scalping the market. I just have a goal. I just want like anything over $25-$30 and I get out. Like,
right.
Look at all this week here. That's what I grab the money. I grab this money here and relax. And then it will come back again. And then I re-enter it again and boom, collect more money. And I just do that as a scalping the market. Oh my God, man, it's pain. I'm growing. I know that account.
No, I know you're making the
cool.
money. I don't know I think what I don't understand is how do you know which way to scalp?
I mean, I'm scalping with the trend.
Or just with the master trend or with the brothers and sisters?
With the master trend, brother. Same rules, but this is just a quick money. Like some people want to make $100, $200 a day. This is gonna be an easy way because sometimes people don't have the patience to put a buy here and see back the entire week and see only 100 pip go by. This one, this like today, $1,100. I mean,
yeah, that's great.
That's pretty amazing.
No, it is. You're eating groceries this week.
Yeah, I'm buying groceries
for everybody. No, just kidding.
Yeah, man, it's pretty neat. I love it, man. To be honest, it's working. But this one, hopefully, this one cleared up your dial. Over will remember that. Unfortunately, I cannot explain the world with detail what you know because it's gonna take forever. I can make the best.
No, plus they didn't join the group yet, so they don't get the secrets, right? But look, they gotta pay the piper for the secrets.
There you go. The money is here to be made, guys. It's very simple. But
when you're doing your scalping along with the master trend, are you then on the 5 or the 15-minute chart?
Yeah. And it pays good, man.
Could you show me a trade you took on the 15-minute chart?
I'm here. Let me check.
If it's too much, don't forget it. But
no, I have it on my phone. I took 1, 2, 3, all EURUSD. I took buy. $30, $35, $29, and it goes on like that. I just have a goal, man. It's anything once I reach anything over like $30, I take it out. I see. It's like sitting on my computer. And I go like, okay, I'm gonna work today 2 hours straight up.
Right.
But I'm just like playing back and forth. EURUSD, it pays good. It pays good. I took all my trades today. They're all. I took even sell. See, sell, I scalp very small. Buys and sell. Small. They're all blue. Freaking amazing.
Were you using a standard lot, or what size lots were you using for that?
I'm using 1.5, $1.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so a lot and a half.
Lot and a half, yeah.
I got it.
It pays good, man. It feels good. Look, my goal last week I make 6,600 some change.
Oh, jeez, that's great. I didn't.
This week my goal is because I don't want to get to the habit of making thousands and thousands of dollars, which is good. But at least I want to collect at least 20K a month.
That's nice.
And
It's real nice.
yeah, sometimes I can go over. Sometimes I'm a little bit shy, half of that. But still, it's damn pretty good. But I always save my money for taxes as well. I put some of the money
Right.
on the side
Absolutely.
because when tax come, oh gosh, that's insane. But hey, it's part of doing business, man.
Well, could you go down to the 15-minute chart on the, you said Euro USD,
Yeah, let me
and
bring.
show me one of these beautiful trades? Just maybe I can get it that way.
Yeah, let me do it right now. Because I had the Euro USD, but I don't want to mess up that pair. Because I'm gonna.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna.
Well, on anything, if you don't want to,
I'm
mess
just.
that up.
No, I'm just. I'm gonna show you on the ones that I took. This is what I'll be doing. Look at this one. I'll be doing
Okay.
buys and sell. Buy and sell. This is exactly what I'm doing.
Okay, let me see.
Okay, first thing first is we all know here market is bullish.
Right.
So I put two screens side by side. That's what I do. 4 hours and 5 minutes or 30 minutes. Because I already know what's going on the 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly.
Right.
Right. So this is what I was doing. So when for instance, let me bring this up here. Let me make this one. Yeah. When this one here come back and the candle gets fully loaded, it retests all the low in the bottom. This is when I put a buy immediately on the 5 minute. So I put a buy here, and it failed my $35 my goal, and then I exit. I exit manually, man, because I'm working behind scene. I'm just me and the system. I take my $35 off and get out. Then the market will come back. Oh shoot, my contractor is here. And then the market will drop back down. It does this like 2-3 times. And then I enter it again as a buy. I'm looking only for buy. And then boom, give me 1 second, okay? Oh, he's here. And then the market will come back and retest this area here. And I re-enter it back again as a buy. And then boom, sometimes the market can go even more. And but I make sure I exit, like I grab 30-40 bucks out of there, and that's it. That's what I do over. Look, this is all I make money. All I'm trying to make money is only on these wicks here. This is the wicks. But on the 5 minutes, it's freaking amazing. Look, you see those wicks in there?
No, I do. How do you know when? So before that wick showed, it was a solid bar.
Yes.
Right.
That's what
So
I
how do you know that it's not just a solid bar that's going to go the other way rather than pull back on that wick? Or is that just experience?
It's because I'm trading with the trend.
I think one of the things he said, Elliott, was, the rules are the next candle, after you got one candle that closed, the next candle will come back and test the low of the previous candle.
Right.
So it's part of the rules. So once you see that kind of take place, then on that push up, knowing it's going to go up, based on the master trend, then you kind of jump in and jump out.
Right.
Seen something similar like this. They call it a now and later. It's one candle, and I've seen guys make $500-600 on one candle, like what Irving's doing.
Yes, easy. But look,
easy.
This is the 5 minutes, right? So we were on the 4 hours. Let's go to 4 hours. Look, the 4 hours it's nothing is in there right now. So what I will do in here is I will wait for this one to come back and retest below, drop, be on the level of this previous one. And then I enter as a buy. Because right now the market, look, New York is closed. Sydney is bad business, man. I mean, you can still make money, but it's slow. So, so I will wait for it. Even if you go to 5 minutes, market is not doing anything. New York and London. Oh, I forgot. Elliott is not in, I think he's in California, right?
I am in California.
Look, market is dead. You see that?
At least until the whole state burns down. But
hopefully not, man. Our prayers are.
Yeah, me too.
Look at this, Elliott. Look
Okay,
at that. Look at only that candle that I read over there. Look at how many touches, man. This is what I want. I wait for it. Boom. Let's say this one come here. Remember, the market is bullish. You need to look only for bullish. Once it come in there and retest the area, that's where I grab my money. Boom. Grab my 30-40 bucks. I'm out. And then I wait for it. and then market will go whatever level it will, and then it will retest back again. I'll put another interest at buy, and boom, I'm just going buy. On that, when I was making a sell was when I saw that 4 hours on error in there, I was making money only few pips, because remember, I was doing BB. BB is bad business unless if you know what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
It's very straightforward, man. Yeah, look at that. It's nothing there. Sydney is dead, man. It's no money there. But look, it's not moving. It's just dead. It's paralyzed, man. Even if you put it, and always pay attention to your spread. That is a killer. Sometimes the spread can be crazy, like 12 points something. Remember that's 12 pips.
Right, especially when the markets close and open.
Right.
The spread goes crazy, usually always.
Yep. Yeah, man, that's what I have for today. I don't want to mess up what I did on Saturday and Sunday.
No.
We got a baby trader there. We got the future here. Look at what I tell you guys on Sunday, dude. Look at this one. Told you Marco's gonna drop. Boom. Look. And then I said Marco's gonna come back and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. Boom. And then I said Marco's gonna drop to a 50. Oh my God, I'm telling you, man. System is a beast. But now in my opinion, market it will continue as bullish, because market is bullish. This is what I don't want to mess up this, because someone challenged me on GBP USD. I love when people challenge me, and I know these areas are well respected, support and resistance. It took me a very long time to make sure I will have something very solid so traders can make their life easier. Because like I said in the beginning of the video, anyone will make you support and resistance on this minors one here. I don't want you to break your head on this one. There's no need. Here, this money here, money here, money here, same thing. Look, they're very heavy. But that's all I have, guys. I have a contractor here. I don't know if you have any question. We can meet tomorrow. And then, yeah, but look all that money, Elliott. Look at all those week. That's where you make money. Look at all that. No matter what, either you like it or you hate this, money is to be made in all this freaking week. All of them has it. All of them. All of them. And what you do is you put side by side. You put your 4 hour window here and your 5 minute window here, or even you can use 1 minute and you scalp the market. You can sit down in front of your computer 2 hours. You are going to make what people make in their food. No, I'm sorry. You will make more than what people make 9 to 5 job.
Okay, Mr. Irving.
Yes, sir.
Can you can you record a little video on that? I got in late, man. I just got through picking up my kids from school. Can you make a little video over there so I can look it over? And also, I was gonna ask you, I've been MIA for quite some time, and I wanted to get back in it, and I just wanted to see if there's anywhere where I can look for the videos, because I've been trying to find some, but like the one-on-one videos, I haven't been able to access those.
Okay, send me a message after this, and I will give you access, because I need you to understand how we trade. Because this is like more in advance. Because this is, you should know what's going on. You should know the rules and so on. So if you don't have access to the one-on-one, this will not work for you. Like Elliott is a veteran. He knows what's going on. He know how to read the stuff easily. But if you don't have access to the other ones, then I will not recommend you to do this. So send me a message after that.
No, I was just,
and then
I wasn't gonna jump in with that, but
yeah,
but
I give you access to the other one. The thing is, they are locked. Why I lock them? Because there's a lot of spammers, to be honest. And I know by keeping you guys safe is the only way that I can keep the community, safe. Other than that, they're gonna be taking us out. But send me the message and I give you access to it for sure.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
What's the name of the video that you went over this?
I haven't even come up with a title yet, because this is, I'm gonna post it on YouTube, and I put it on, I'm gonna put it on the chat room so you guys can see it.
Yeah, I think it was that secret video that you put the other day, right? The secret of the multi-time frame something.
Yes, yes,
Because I
yes,
was watching it
yes, yes.
before, but I didn't get it.
Yeah, yeah. Hopefully today that help you out. I'm just copying the market on 5 minutes. But remember, the rules remain the same, but I'm just going bullish. I'm just looking for bullish, bullish, bullish. Look at this one. Even though that could be one thing, if you want to make $100 a day, you will be sit down in your PC, but at least you're gonna make the $100. Don't be greedy. Once you make the $100, walk away. Or you look, a lot of people use this stuff as a signal. I always tell you guys on Saturday and Sunday, this is not signal, but to be honest, they're very accurate, man. Very accurate. I've been very accurate since I started making this YouTube video, even with the previous system. And then they remove the most I love. So that's what I came up with a multiple time frame system. Okay. But that's all I have for today. So let's go ahead and go for tomorrow. And
hello.
Yes.
Hi, Irvin. How are you? Sorry,
Good.
been late. You know, this EURUSD is the master trade. It's an on sale position, isn't it? How is buy position? Because I can see. Yeah, it's bearish, isn't it?
It's not bearish.
What about the monthly?
That you should not go by the monthly only. What are we looking for? We're looking 4 hours daily, weekly. We're looking if it were to be bearish.
Yeah.
This guy here need to be here, pointing down, telling us this should be blue here. So that means everything, all the rules have to be met. 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly. The market here is bullish, still bullish.
We are missing some arrows.
Yeah.
Some of mine, it either don't have the 4 hour or sometimes it don't have the daily.
Yeah. So that means you are.
So they all have to be there, or just like three or 4.
You know, Mr. Irvin, you know,
because a lot of mines don't have the daily on it.
Yeah, it has to be there. Don't choice. All the rules have to be there.
I wish if you are not busy, really. You know, and I've got some problem as well. You know, my magic arrow, I didn't see it mostly. I don't know where it's gone. Or is it different color? Yellow and I didn't see the pink one, the purple one.
You need to add it. It's in your file. Just add it. Make sure you change the number,
color.
The number that is 12 to 8, and then change the color to magenta. But it's there.
Okay. What about the you know, like Sydney, Tokyo, something like that, the other side? How do I get it? I don't have that as well.
Yeah, that is on the marketplace. That is free to the world.
What was? Yeah.
Just type. That is called Infoblast.
Infoblast. But Infoblast only they give me the pips stuff like that. It's not really. They didn't give me this.
Yeah, you need to. Let me see if pay attention to the settings that I have here. Take a picture of it because this will help you out. This is the setting that I have. You see that? If you want to have exactly how I have mine, take a picture of this one. I have top right, bottom right, line, red, red, yellow, yellow. This is what you have in off. See here, you need to have the display session open. You need to have it true. And then the rest can be false. The first one needs to be open. Be true, and then here on the bottom you can put line red, white, and yellow, and then press OK. But this is called Infoblast.
Okay.
Okay. You took a picture of this already?
Yeah.
Okay, good. It's free. Okay, that one is free.
Okay. Still, I'm really struggling. I've got 2 lessons, and I don't know what's wrong with me.
No, I mean,
I just look.
Practice this. Look, this is very unique skills. This is a unique skill.
Yeah, I've been you gave me lesson in the triple arrow time and now as well. So I don't know what's going on in my mind.
Yes,
really.
Stick to one thing. Maybe
I completely stopped that one anyway. When you move, I'll just move to you.
Yeah.
You know, so I just let. But I have got to know the system. There is all of them. You left it as it is. So I don't know which one is which. Sometimes your own there is a dashboard, half dashboard.
Yeah, forget about the dashboard because that will it will confuse you. What I want you
Yeah.
to understand is pay attention 4 hours daily,
Mm.
4 hours daily and weekly. And this monthly has to be here in order for the market to be in a down.
To be said. Okay.
If
Okay.
it's not, means you are in a down. So that means we
not sure.
we got no business on it.
But can it be in a different, instead of the 4 hour daily, monthly, can it be mixed around?
No. The rules need to be applied correctly. If the trend is not in the same direction, it means it's an invalid trade. Invalid trend.
What if it's like a valid master trend and then it start turning white? The blue start turning white.
All right, let me bring it up in here. Look, there's nothing there, right? So that's why I want you guys to zoom out. Look, another thing that you guys get confused is on the previous master trend. This is, it happens. This is what I want you guys to get a beast. Look at here.
Yeah, I'm talking about like something like this on the bottom.
That's
if
it.
Turns white, is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. No, I mean, you're seeing it like that because I'm zooming it out all the way. But here, mass is bullish.
Yeah, because some of mine turn white like that.
Look at here, bullish. This is a damn pullback. Look, what are we missing here? We're missing what?
Weekly.
That's it. Now you and down. So that's not good. Everything has to line up. Look.
Even in the buy side, you couldn't see all the thingy. Only the which one?
No, they have to be. The thing is, you need to write down the rules. The thing is, look, guys, one thing, remember, if the rules are not lined up, don't question the chart because you are going to be, you want to resolve a problem where it doesn't concern you. You got so many other pairs to look, so many different opportunities to look into it. Don't marry one particular pair. Look for another opportunity.
So Irvin, I think what I think the slight confusion may be because of the color, you know, because people are looking for blue versus white, but it just depends on which arrow shows up first, and really it's having all 4 arrows in agreement with each other more so than what the color of those dots are ultimately.
That's it. Thank you for better explanation. That's a better explanation. Guys, there's a PDF. I want you to print out the PDF, study the PDF. That will help you. Send me a message as soon as this class is over, and then I'm gonna pin in on the chat room. It should be there, to be honest. Go into the files, and you're gonna see the PDF. Print it out. There's an examples in there where I circle every single step of it. We can do another session tomorrow. Hopefully that can help. But today was good. Thank you, Sarah, for asking. Always come to class. Make sure you ask questions as well, because that is the only way that you will master the skills.
Thank you, Mr. Irving.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Okay, guys. So thank you again for coming in, and so I'm gonna go live tomorrow as well, and then if maybe we can do more session and help people like like Sarah and so on. But as we know, we do have, senior here, Elliott, Ali. I haven't seen Ali for a while.
Ali, he's so busy, he's talked to me because he lives very close to me. I live north, he lives in west, in London. But I couldn't get him. Okay. I couldn't get him.
Oh, we got Mamoon there. Mamoon is another.
He's keep calling. Okay, I call him. He told me we're gonna meet. But he's so busy all day long. He's busy, so busy.
He's a very busy man.
I know. Even he takes me early. I say, okay, we will meet. It's not. I don't know where to get him. It's a nightmare.
But good job, guys. You just keep learning. Stick to the rules, and that is the only way you're gonna succeed in this business.
Okay, but he's really helpful. To be honest, he's really kind.
No, it's not.
It's very nice.
Look,
yeah.
It's all 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly. Write it down, print out that PDF, and read it 100 times. You will master it.
Okay.
My daughter is 6 years old and she knows
Wow.
this stuff. She learned this stuff when she was 5. If she can do it, there's no limit for you. So
Well, she's your daughter.
Yeah, exactly.
oh God. But don't worry, we're gonna get there, Sarah. I
I
promise you.
hope so. Thank you.
All right, guys. So I think that's all I have for today.
Thanks,
Thank you
Irving.
very much.
So I
Thank you.
see you guys tomorrow. Okay.
All right.
Cheers,
All
Irving.
right.
Thank you, Irving.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
Stay safe,
Bye.
guys. See you
Thank
then.
you.